Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is mangle. It is pronounced mangle, and it is spelt M-A-N-G-L-E. Think man and then gull. Mangle means to severely mutilate, disfigure, or damage by cutting, tearing, or crushing. For example, you could say, the car was mangled in the crash. Mangle comes from the old French word mangeonner, meaning to cut to pieces. Its meaning is similar today, but does not necessarily involve cutting. Did you know that there is a machine called a mangle? A mangle, or wringer, is a mechanical laundry machine consisting of two rolling pins in a sturdy frame. Some are electrical, but in older times they were operated with a large hand crank. The mangle was originally used to wring water from wet laundry, but today mangles are used to press or flatten sheets, tablecloths, kitchen towels, or clothing, and other laundry. Mangle is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, the shark bit through the fish and mangled its body. Mangle is defined in the dictionary as to destroy something by twisting it with force or tearing it into pieces so that its original form is completely changed. Mangle's synonyms include mutilate, maim, disfigure, damage, injure, crush, crumple, and lacerate. Antonyms include aid, beautify, create, fix, help, repair, build, combine, and construct. See if you can spot anything mangled today. It could be a squashed tin can or a broken toy. Try to use your new word today, mangle. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.